Introducing the EXI-600 from Microscope for intelligent research inverted microscopy. The EXI-600 delivers exceptional performance and the flexibility to adapt as your research demands. Features typically offered as expensive options come standard on the EXI-600, including 3 camera ports, 6-position DIC nosepiece, built-in Bertrand lens, illuminated LCD panel, illumination shutters, and 3-position magnification changer. Controls are ergonomically designed for comfort and convenience. Change illumination conditions with the ease of fingertip control. The smart LCD screen displays the current status of the intelligent components, viewable even in a dark room. Easily change between diascopic observation methods with the 6-position multi-application condenser. Upgrade to fluorescence by adding a light source and the intelligent 6-position turret. The EXI-600 accepts today's advanced fluorescent light sources from top manufacturers. With 3 camera port standard, you choose the best cameras for your application without compromise. A range of high-resolution, high-performance objectives ensures crisp, vibrant images across observation methods. Accessories from a variety of third-party suppliers meet your current and future research needs. Add motorized components, cameras, and environmental control chambers to perform automated live cell imaging. Add micro-manipulation and micro-injection accessories of your choice for IVF, stem cell, and transgenics applications. Perform electrophysiology experiments with the ultra-stable EXI-600 platform. Intelligent, modular, versatile, the EXI-600 from Microscope. For today's research and tomorrow's discoveries.